Today we're going to look at the offline sales module within the Freshbite app. The user will log in and then they will see the modules that they have access to. If the user can only process offline sales, then that's all they'll see. So let's click on it and see what we do. Here we'll see a list of orders that I've already started. They're all in draft mode, so I can click on them and edit them, or I can hit the plus sign and create a new order. Then I'll see a list of customers. These will be customers that only I have access to. I will not necessarily see all customers in the system. This is dependent on settings that the administrator will set for each user. So I'll select my customer. Here I'll see the header information. If I would like to put in the customer's PO number or any notes or change the shipping method, requested delivery date, I'll do that here. And then go to lines. These are lines that you want to add to the customer's order. I can hit the plus sign. Here I will see any items that I can add to the order. By default, this is showing only standard items. I simply toggle that switch on or off, and I'll be able to see the items that are applicable. Now, I'll take an item with a barcode and scan that. It'll bring the item up. I can either type in the quantity or I can just scan how many the user would like. By default, the system will come up with the customer's price for that item. Depending on user security, the user could choose to override the price. But again, this is access set by the administrator. Once I'm done with this order, I'll hit save. And now I can go back to a list of orders. Keep in mind this is still in draft mode, but if I'm ready to sync, I can just right click and choose sync. Otherwise, if I want to sync a number of orders at once, I can mark this as open. So now it's open and all my open orders will synchronize when I do sync open orders. So both of those orders are now synced in the system. Now let's go over to Freshbite and take a look. This was the item I was using, and I've input the UPC code in for the item. I will go to sales and the sales order screen, click on online orders, and I did mine for A to Z produce. And let's see, these are the two that I just submitted, and I can double click, see the line items on that order, and I'll go ahead and put in a price since I have one on the device, hit save, and now the order's in the system ready to be processed.